Okay, today I'm going to do a video on one of the smaller auction lots that I got. And this one's from Goodwill, South Texas, which is in Corpus Christi. So I'm going to get this. I don't know when I got this one. I don't know what the date was, but this one's been here for a while. I'm going to get this opened up and show you what the... Where you open this one, I guess you open it back here. Came in a strange... Oh, look what they did. They used the UPS box inside out. Well, actually, it's a FedEx box inside out. Let's see if I can... Got scissors. I don't know why I'm trying to manhandle it. Okay, so there it is right there. It's just a small bag, so it'll be a short video. Let me see if this tells me how many pounds it is. Oh, is there a date? So I paid $14 for this lot plus shipping, which was $10. Doesn't look like it's going to be a very big lot. There was probably one thing in it that I saw I liked. It says it's 2 pounds. 2 pounds shipped weight, I don't know. Often you'll find on their site that they will say item actually weighs 4 pounds, shipping weight 5.5 pounds. It's like they tend to pad the shipping, but since this was right around 20 bucks, there was probably one thing in here I saw that I wanted. I don't know what it was now because it's been so long. You can see it's just a small box. There. You can see. So, alright. Let me get this open. I didn't even bother to tape it shut. But at least they bagged it up. Now, some of the places don't do that. Now, with these small lots, even though it's laid out and you can't see everything, you can see quite a bit of it. And there's got to be something in here I saw that I wanted. Could have been this. That's a nice leather cuff. I used to do leather when I was in high school, and it's a nice tool leather cuff. Not fancy, just basic, but I don't know if it fits. Well, if I could get it snapped, yes, it would fit. That's nice. Probably too small for my husband. And some feather earrings. I can tell you that's not why I bought this. I do not like feathers or ribbons or anything that you can't clean. Oh, those would be, somebody will like those. These are Charmin' Charlie feathers. Like I said, that's not what I got this for, obviously. Here's some more feathers. Maybe I'll do a sale on feathers. Actually, these are kind of pretty. I might actually wear those. The wooden beads. But no, I'm not a big feather fan. This has tons of feathers in it. Charming Charlie feathers. Okay, this has got something else stuck to it. Here's some in nice fall colors. Channel your inner hippie. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. Some more leather stuff in here. Oh, this is pretty. I am a fan of beaded things. Isn't that pretty? We're going away in a couple days. I might wear that. That's pretty. I really honestly don't know what it was in this lot that I wanted. I saw something. And for 14 bucks, I obviously thought I'd... That's a nice clip, but I just cut all my long hair off, so could have used that about a month ago. Oh, this. There's a lot of beads in this. A lot of beaded work in here. I mean, other than Charming Charlie, I don't expect to find any tags on this. That's pretty. Nice colors. That is pretty. And when you get something like this with these beads, see how this one looks like it's pulled out? You can work that back in. That's a very easy fix, which I will do. And there's an earring. Oh, more feathered earrings with some real feathers and some metal feathers. Another Charmin' Charlie. So, I like a lot of the Charmin' Charlie stuff, actually. Let's see what this necklace is here. I'm not fond of this one. This is a beaded one. It is. Yeah, they're glass beads. It's a long, fancy beaded floral. That's kind of cute. But, not spectacular. Alright, here's one in nice fall colors. Now this I do. Oh, look, it's got the button. Beaded button in the back. Let me see if I can get it to flip right. Ooh, that's pretty. Glass beads. Nice and cold. Definitely fall. Oh, that's so pretty. Like I said, this is going to be a short video because this is only like 2 pounds. So, here's another beaded one. This is just plain glass beads. It's pretty, but... And honestly, I can't tell you what it was in here that I saw that I thought, ooh, I like that. I'm looking at it thinking it could have been anything on any given day. This is a bib one. It's got like velour or something on the other side. Feels velvety. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Well, that does have a tag on it, but it's probably Charmin' Charlie, and it is. That is cute. Oh my goodness, I didn't think I would like that when I picked it up, but it's cute. And it would feel nice to wear because it's got like velvet on the back of it. That's cute. I like that. And this is a chain with ribbon. Is this another Charmin' Charlie? Oops, sorry, didn't mean to hit the camera. Scratching my nose. My allergies are really bad this month. Anybody know what the heck that says? Whatever it says the same thing on both sides. I'll have to look that with a magnifying glass later. Look at that. I bet that's comfortable to wear too. Like I said, I'm not a ribbon person. I'm not a macrame. Well, I used to do macrame, but this is like, oh, what do you call that? It's what you do cross stitch and stuff with. Oh, I can't think of what it's called. I will think of it. All right. Now there's these earrings. Well, those are showy. Got the little chips on the bottom. This feels like acrylic, but those feel like stone on the bottom. Those are interesting. What's this? Well, this might have been it. I don't know, but it's missing a piece. It's missing a little piece of turquoise off there. That's a shame. I'm hoping it's in the bottom here, but it's probably not. And that would be hard to find a piece to fit in there. Your best bet is to find something that fits and then take this one off and put two different things on there is probably what I'll do. And I'm not looking for any of this to be sterling, but I will test that. Looks like it has a little age to it. I don't know if this feather is supposed to be on this ring. I'm sure it's not. But it's not coming off when I tug, so maybe it is. And that is ridiculous. Seriously. That it can't be that that's supposed to be there. But I'm seriously tugging and it's not coming off, so that's just crazy. All right, let's see what I got over here. Got some more earrings, more, oh, this is fashion jewelry. More feathers. Like I said, I'm not a feather person. Although it is a style that could come back any day now. I think, isn't that 7 days the feather thing? Or has it come back and gone again and I just didn't notice? I don't know. Now these are nice. You know, at least they're subtle. And not like those other ones. No, these you could get away with without looking like you're channeling your inner hippie. Now these, on the other hand, yikes. I'm definitely going to have a feather sale. That's all I can say. All right. What have I got left here? Well, there's a single earring, which I didn't see another one, but I'll go through the stuff again. This might be stuck on something else. Oh, nope, found it. It's right here. And this is just acrylic, but it's a really pretty color. Really pretty. And metal. No name, of course. And then these are really pretty. Enamel. Pretty enamel. Like a deep teal. With a little milky colored stone up there. Those are really pretty. Those are nice. And what on earth? A little? Oh no, this is adorable. A little leather pouch. Look at that. I'll have to put some oil on this leather. It's drying a little, but it's not cracking, so that's good. You can oil it up. Is that the cutest thing? A little tool pouch. I guess you could put like something through the middle of it to hold it. And what is this? This is, I guess, okay, this is a necklace. Now, and it has this, let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. It has these hanging down, the leather like arrows with tassels. It has these stones that actually do feel like real turquoise, but we'll see. Hold on. And then the back part of it, I mean, it's, hold on. Well, the tassels come down and right about at my waist. I'm a short person also. Somebody taller, but these are definitely stone. Are they dyed howlite? Now there is a flatness to the, so I don't know for sure. These either are dyed howlite or they are real turquoise. I don't know. I'll have them check. They're nice, good-sized stones. I really don't know, but they're beautiful. It might have been these stones alone that I was looking at when I decided to bid $14 on this auction. Because I really do like these. I don't like this, and I don't like, well, I don't know. I'd like it without this on the end. But we'll see. Figure out what to do with it. But I definitely will make something else out of it. I won't leave it like this. But, like I said, that was a quick run through. I got a few things I liked. I won't wear this, but I like it. I probably will sell this. And like I said, I don't like any of the earrings, except for any of the feather earrings, that is. I like the other earrings. But I do like this. I actually might keep this. It's a nice fall piece. Look at that. Does that scream fall to you? And I'm dying for the fall to get here. It's almost here. And I like these. I'm not much liking any of the feathers that much. I mean, this pair I would wear, probably. The ones with the wood. This pair. These are not bad. Actually could wear it with that necklace. Yeah, I probably wouldn't mind wearing this pair, actually. I haven't wore feathers in years. Never was a big fan of them, but I think I probably wore them in my youth. They used to be the big thing. And I will try and fix this little guy. He really is adorable. But, like I said, I will have to take this one off. If I can't find one that works there, I'll have to take that one off and find something that I can fill in there. Which won't look that bad as long as they match. I like this. I like these earrings. I like quite a bit of this now that I think about it. The beads are nice. I really appreciate good beadwork. I've never been good at it. I have one bracelet that I made. I'll bring out sometime to show you that I'm proud of. I made in a class at a jewelry shop, and I think it was in League City, Texas, years ago. That's kind of pretty too. Look at all those colors. So, thank you very much. My subscription has reached 300. When this video is, I probably won't be home when this video comes out, but I'm ready to give this away. I'm going to put a little bit more stuff in it tonight, seal it up, and my next video after this one will be out on a Sunday. The following Wednesday, I will announce the winner. One of my lucky subscribers will get this jewelry jar. So, hopefully it's you. Thank you very much for viewing my videos, and please put a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I really do like doing these. I've got a couple more of these shorter ones I'm going to do, and I have 2 10-pound boxes and 4 5-pound boxes that I've still got to do yet. So there'll be more videos. Thank you very much, and you have a lovely, lovely day.